Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review ExpenseMonkey. Well, it is, as you would expect, your expense management tool. And in this video I will share my opinion if it is worth buying or not. And let's briefly overview the features. So it covers, I would say, basics. You can upload your expenses and then you will need to select the category manually. From such tools, I would expect the category to be selected automatically, but maybe it is a limitation of a free plan that I was using. And in the pricing plans on their website, in the premium plan, I can see AI-powered receipt analysis. And when I scan through the questions and answers regarding the AI, we can see that they use smart OCR and AI to automatically extract key details. But I believe you would need to see yourself if it captures all the needs from your specific type of receipts. In my case, I've uploaded a few receipts from the mobile application, all from the meal category, and I had to choose that category myself. So yeah, basically that's it. You just upload the receipts. You can set up team members. You can organize your expenses into projects, and you can approve the expenses of team members. You can see the actual receipts uploaded, and that's it. You can extract the statistics in simple CSV format, which looks like this. You have the details, the currency, the price, user, and the project. So yeah, if I look at the features on their own website, basically, yeah, you can scan receipts, you can upload receipts from your mobile application. That's actually a really nice feature, because I think that's a must feature for a receipt or an expense tracker. On the go, you just take a photo of your receipt and then you can upload that from your gallery later. So yeah, you can track, approve, and get reports, but you are not getting any visual reports. You're not getting any pie charts. You can just extract the data in the CSV format that I've mentioned. And yeah, here are a few receipts that I've uploaded from my mobile application. So in my cases, the receipts were in Portuguese, Italian, and Spanish. The tool captured the total amount correctly, but it will not get you the individual pieces in the receipt. Not sure, maybe for the English-based receipts, it can capture such information, but for the receipts that I've uploaded, it captured only the total amount, and I was able to select in what currency the amount is. In my case, it is euro. And even for this receipt, where the currency was specified, I had to add those details manually. And a nice feature that you have auto conversion, for example, out of euros into US dollars. But basically, that's all what you have. You have your projects, you can export your expenses, and yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward tool. So you can track your expenses. Again, if you have a small business, maybe you don't need any more features. And that's it. You can see the expenses submitted by your team members. You can approve those. You can export as a CSV file and then upload to some other system that you use. So yeah, basically that's it. To get and try ExpenseMonkey, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.